Good morning, everyone. Today I want to answer the question, is breakfast really the most important meal of the day? So according to Merriam Webster, they define breakfast as the first meal eaten in the morning, and morning is defined as the period of time between midnight and noon. So now my definition of breakfast is the first meal eaten after a night's rest. Based on my definition of breakfast, I would argue that yes, breakfast indeed is the most important meal of the day because it really sets the tone of how your blood sugar levels will be regulated for the rest of the day. This has been shown in research time and time again where the glycemic index of one meal affects the glycemic response of the subsequent meal. This phenomenon is known as the second meal effect. So in other words, if you were to eat a breakfast that contained highly digestible carbohydrates that would spike your blood sugar levels, so for example, a bowl of cereal or waffles and syrup, regardless of what your second meal contained, it would follow a very similar pattern in your blood sugar levels. Likewise, if you were to eat a breakfast that contained more lean protein and fiber and really had a low glycemic index score, well, that pattern would also follow in the second meal regardless of the composition. Having stable blood sugar levels will ensure for consistent energy levels and vitality and can prevent chronic illnesses like diabetes, heart disease, and Alzheimer's. So when you break your fast today, make sure to include lean protein, healthy fats, and a good source of fiber. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.